Hey, hi guys. Myself Javed Sheikh, and we are in 4 members in the group: Anush Reddy, Lakshmi Ravali, and Sai Manoj. Today, I'm gonna speak about logical network diagram and addressing and naming model. This network design is prepared for medical center for Ethiopia, which is located in Australia. There are multiple user communities are present in each medical center. Each medical center has 10 general purpose and 10 specialist doctors. There are laboratory and reception or also have network connectivity. Patients are able to connect through the network through the wireless axis. There are 10 general purpose and 10 specialist doctors in the office. Different monitoring equipment can send the data to the doctor's chamber via wireless axis. Receptions have one printer, 3 computers, and 3 telephone connectivity. Laboratory connection has different laboratory equipment which is able to controlled and operate by the from the doctor's chamber. Visiting area have one computer, one telephone one telephone connectivity, and one Wi-Fi access for patient mobile connectivity. Each department has a different storage device which user can store important data in it, and they can retrieve whenever they need. Coming to the addressing and naming model, by using the proper addressing and naming scheme, it is easy to troubleshoot or identify the network devices. These are the users: GPS doctor, specialist doctor, monitoring device and storage, laboratory device and staff, reception, patients or visitors, and these are the device naming. To simplify the search for these device may also receive a name. These names vary from individual names given to computer through Windows system property to host names assigned to a router. These are the usable IP block and network address. Beside table shows the hierarchical network design architecture is used for the design. These names can be assigned as a part of a domain name system server, which binds name to the IP address. But such systems are typically designed to be compatible with DNS. I like to conclude with the security measures of the system. Only authenticate person have access capability. Authentication and password are required for user to access network. IDS and IPS tool are used to prevent the outside attack. Thanks for watching.